Creme Fraiche is a French-style cultured cream. It's similar to a sour cream, but it's a little lighter. Its culture comes from buttermilk rather than yogurt. It can be a little hard to find in the supermarkets and a little on the expensive side, but it's really easy to make yourself at home if you've got a yogurt maker. First things first, as always, make sure all of your equipment is sterile before you start making anything. Now you'll need some good quality pure cream and some good quality buttermilk with culture in it. Pour 500 ml of pure cream and 1/3 cup of buttermilk into your glass yogurt jar, then stir to combine. Put the lid on the glass jar and place it into your yogurt maker. Pour water into the base up to the tool line indicator. Replace the cover lid on top and then punch in the settings. Set the temperature to 36 degrees Celsius or 97 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 24 hours, and don't forget to press confirm to begin incubation. Once incubation is finished, switch the yogurt maker off, remove the jar from the water bath and place it into the fridge for at least 6 hours to chill. This creme fraiche has turned out so well. It's really creamy and luxurious. This is such a beautiful product for both savory and sweet. It's ready for baking or just to dollop on top of your scones. You're gonna love this recipe and I hope you give it a go for yourself at home. And if you do, then let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes to come. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us.